This is what survey exports usually look like. Welcome, my name is Laila Hardisty, and I'm a solutions engineer here at Luminoso. And today I'll be covering how to use our format multiple text field script. Luminoso Daylight was designed to work with the kind of data you find on these sites, storyful text in individual verbatims. This results in a one-to-one relationship between the respondent rows and text columns. However, useful data can also be found on these sites, where there are multiple verbatims to respond to the prompts given. This then results in a one-to-many relationship between the respondent rows and the text columns, as is seen in this survey example, where there are multiple essay prompts to get the right kind of data. This is what survey exports usually look like, with the respondent-based rows having multiple text fields. But we do have a script to make this file work for Daylight uploads. So here's how to use our format multiple text field script. With the respondent row-based file, you'll need to use the lowercase word text as a prefix for the open-ended responses. The script will then create a new metadata field titled question using the text in the header row. Make sure to save this file in the CSV format. Then you'll put in the name of the input file and then type in the name you'd like the output file to be called. Once you have done that, you can hit enter and the script will run. Once the script has been ran successfully, you'll then have a new CSV file titled whatever you wrote as the second name, and you can now take this CSV file and drop it into Daylight. Here you'll see that the new formatting has been created, and the project can now be filtered by the question. Now, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and if you have any other questions regarding our scripts or any other videos we have on our channel, feel free to reach out.